Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce IT support costs with TeamViewer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce IT support costs with TeamViewer, start by ensuring you have the software installed on both your support and client devices. Open TeamViewer on the support device and note your ID and password. Communicate these details to the client who needs assistance. Instruct the client to download and install TeamViewer if they haven't done so already. Once installed, ask them to launch the application and share their ID and password with you. On your support device, enter the client's ID in the Partner ID field. Click on the Connect button to establish a connection. Once connected, you'll see the client's screen, allowing you to diagnose and troubleshoot issues in real time. Utilize the built-in tools for file transfer, screen sharing, and remote control to resolve problems efficiently. Guide the client through any necessary fixes while monitoring their screen and providing instructions. If the issue requires ongoing support, consider setting up unattended access for quicker future sessions. To set this up, ask the client to configure their TeamViewer settings for unattended access. This allows your support team to access their device at any time without needing the client to be present. Review the usage and support logs within TeamViewer to identify areas for cost-saving improvements. Regularly assess your IT support processes to identify which issues can be resolved through preventive maintenance or user training. By streamlining your support operations with TeamViewer, you can significantly cut costs while maintaining high levels of service quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.